To update or change a client's search criteria within your Elevate program, first identify the client that you would like to make adjustments for. Once you've identified that client, simply click on their name to open up their profile on the right-hand side of the screen. Within the profile, you'll find the activity section. Below it, the activity overview, along with the saved searches. If you would like to simply delete the saved search, it can be done from looking at the options below the saved search itself. If you would like to modify or change the search criteria, simply choose the Edit feature to update that information. Within the options to update, you may change or adjust that criteria as you see fit or as your customer has requested. Once the proper changes have been made, simply update the saved search for the information to be updated to the customer profile. If you have additional questions or need additional guidance, please reach out to our support team.